This pop-up only appears on a single page that you navigate to. In this example, we will be creating an ad for free consultations on a dental implant. So first, you want to navigate to the page that you want to have the pop-up. Then, under Edit this page, click Edit Modal Pop-up on this page. From here, type your message. You can add an image, a hyperlink, change the orientation of the text, and even the styles and font size. When your message is complete, click Save Changes. Wait for the cog, and click OK. And now your pop-up will appear.